Okay, so Sora 2 broke the internet. I was scrolling through my X feed and I saw this.
Meow. Meow.
What the
Meow. Meow.
What the hell? So this is the next level AI video generation model and it's absolutely insane. Let's see some examples. Here is the announcement reel.
One year ago, Sora 1 redefined what was possible with moving images. Today, we're announcing the Sora app, powered by the all-new Sora 2. It's the most powerful imagination engine ever built. And it's packed with new features. I'll pass it to Bill for more details.
Okay, so that's enough. So as you can see, it's absolutely mind-boggling. Look at this realism. Here are some bloopers generated with Sora 2.
What is this? There's no wind! This is supposed to be epic! Turn it up! Turn it up! There's too much wind in my hair! Cut! Really on there. Sorry.
Okay. Take two.
So as you can see, it comes with sound like Veo 3, but much better. So this guy asked to generate a video of a man trying to cancel his Adobe subscription. It feels like that actually. Enigmatic E created this 90s style commercial and it's extremely good. Look at this.
Still playing on knitting crap.
Flush the past. Get the future with
Crap Station!
Yeah, knitting crap stinks. And we mean really stinks.
Crap Station's got more attitude!
And it's very good at product videos as well.
日でも肌は正直一滴で潤いが満ちていく角層まで素早く浸透し朝の光に自信が宿る
So as you can see, the product is very consistent and it's the first AI video model to nail anime.
Affirmative, Sora. Each layer refines the representation, like polishing a gem.
Then, maybe one day I'll build a network that understands every star.
So imagine how the fan-made videos would be. And here's the Sam Altman stealing something from Studio Ghibli.
Man, that's so cool. Everything is free. Okay, I'm taking these.
Oi, done enough. Bring those back.
Whoa, gotta go.
Stop. Give them back.
Nope, too late.
Hey, come back here.
Free art, baby.
Here it is, Sora 2, the absolute best video generation model yet. So let me know what you think and don't forget to subscribe.